Hello.
I'm Samara, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find the factors form of x cubed plus 64. But before we get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what factoring is. So this question is pretty easy. You don't really need to know any hard types of factoring. All you really need to know is your basic math skills like multiplying and how to use variables and exponents. Some interesting patterns arise when you are working with cubed qualities. Within polynomials specifically, there is the special cases to consider, one of them being a cubed plus b cubed. A binomial factor is made up of the two cube roots of the perfect cube separated by a plus sign. If the cube isn't there and the number is smaller than the largest cube on the list, then the number isn't a perfect cube. For bigger numbers, use a scientific calculator or use the cube root button. So this question falls into the category of factoring a sum of two cubes. To answer a factoring question, you should know the formula a cubed plus b cubed is equal to parentheses a plus b parentheses a squared minus ab plus b squared. And if you want to memorize the signs of this, you should use the word SOAP because it stands for same, opposite, always positive. And a polynomial in the form a cubed plus b cubed is called the sum of cubes. So first, we have to make it so both of our terms are perfect cubes. If I use 4 cubed, then it will be equal to 64. Now that this matches up with a cubed plus b cubed, then we can move on to the next part. Next, we can write the formula under this as a reference. So first, we have a plus b in parentheses. Then we have a squared minus ab plus b squared in parentheses as well. Now we are going to match up x cubed plus 4 cubed to a cubed plus b cubed. Then we're going to put in parentheses x plus 4 because it matches with a plus b. Then in parentheses we are going to match up x squared to a squared, then negative ab, which would match up with 4 times x, which would equal 4x. But in this case it would be negative 4x because of the negative a. Then we would match up 4 squared with b squared. But then we have to make 4 squared 16 because 4 times 4 is 16. And then there's no way to go on with this equation. So this would be our final answer.
Baby, bye, bye, bye.